Hello all. In today's video lecture, we'll consider one more exercise which you could see on the screen with all the given dimensions. This is the component need to be developed at the end by using these views. Now again same question arises, which is the best way to start with. Okay. Now here what I feel is, if you consider the front plane and front view, if you draw the complete outer boundary, in a single step you can reach this particular component, and after later 3D fillet can be done on 1, 2, 3, 4 edges at a time. Just in 2 steps we can complete the component or a part required. Okay. For that what I do is I'll select just the front plane. For that I'll just click on front plane sketcher. This is the window, graphic window you could see. I'll try to draw that L section by using line as the option. This is how the component look like. 1, 2, 3. There is some chamfer session. You can, if you want, you can maintain chamfer session, or else you can directly draw the profile the way it is on the given exercise. Let us fix the dimensions now. 60 by 40 is a major dimension. Length is 60, and this is going to be 40 mm. Fine. And let us fix the width. 10. This is also maintaining 10 mm. This shortest height is 10, and this is also maintaining the same distance. Other than this, anything else remaining? Yes, this from this corner till this edge it is 10 mm, and overall the width is going to be 20. Let us fix this. 1 from this point to again select smart dimension. From this edge to this point the height is 10. Okay. Again from here to this point the overall length we need to fix. Okay, escape from the keyboard, again consider, again take smart dimension from this point till this point. Oh, we are unable to get it. Let us check it out once again. 20 mm. Let us fix the 20 from this vertical till this point. It is going to be 20. Fixed. Just have a look whether it is defined completely or not. 20 is fixed, 10 mm already given, 30, overall is 60, remaining is 30, justified. Fine. Now we can create fillets after transforming the 2D sketch into a 3D model. Okay, let us exit from the sketch mode and select a tool called Extrude Boss Base, and need to be extruded up to a width of 40 that you could see in the top view. Let us increase the value by 40. Alright, this is how you will get the component. You can extrude to the front side or to the back, or else you can make it symmetric. Anyways is correct. Let us say okay. Fine, this is done. Once this is done, go to fillet, select fillet as the option 3D. Fine, select 1, 2, this shorter one, 3 and 4 edges. Fine. Let us maintain a distance of 10 mm. Yes, 10 is the radius given. 4 by r 10 mm means 4 edges, maintaining a radius of 10. Fine. Let us say okay. This is how you develop the component. Have a look at the piece. It will almost, it is equivalent to whatever the component given to you in the exercise. Okay, just to create this geometry, we have just taken 2 as the options in the command tree. By using 2 different options, we have created this. Okay, this is the best optimum design that we can create, or the method, best way to create the model. Fine. This is about the exercise. If you have any queries regarding the exercise or any other exercises that we have covered previously, any other lectures, if you want to suggest or comment, you can do that in the box given below. Thank you for watching.